So here I am in my workshop, working on my Jenson, nicely painted now, and just a few little finishing touches. But there's areas of the chassis and the underside here that don't really have much paint on them. So I've got my Frost Extreme Chassis Black. I've got satin finish on this one because I like a bit of satin finish. You can get it in glosso as well. I want a tough, durable finish for the chassis and the metalwork. So that's why I'm using this. Really easy to apply, shake it up, you know the score. Then a nice, really wide spray pattern there. Get in here, get around the side. Ah, yeah. That is a great looking finish. Absolutely fantastic. It's gone on easily, no drips from the can. Right, it's a really great finish. It's tough, it's durable. Frost Extreme Chassis Black.